Jim Starwalt here with Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Star Homes in McHenry. I'm giving you your market update for the month of August, and wow, I'm telling you what, total listings on the market in McHenry, 60050 zip code, is 186. That is 27 more than last month. Active listings, there's 85 listings that are available to be purchased by someone, and that's 14. So what I'm telling you, homes are still going under contract. It's taking us a little bit long. We're not seeing 32 offers in 24 hours, but we are getting homes sold in 2 weeks to 4 weeks, as long as it's priced right. I will warn you though, homes priced over $350,000 are taking a longer time to sell. That market's not moving quite as fast. And we can see that in the number of homes with price reductions is 24 homes had to reduce their price because they were shooting too high. So if you want to find out what your home is worth, or you want to get out and buy a house, we can help you determine the value you should be paying, and we'll get you in and help you out. I'm Jim Starwalt, leader of the Star Home team at Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate right here in McHenry.